friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add product in WooCommerce, right, on WordPress website. So as you can see, I am into my WordPress admin dashboard as of now, and here in this left side toolbar we are having an option of products. I have simply moved my cursor on the products, and as soon as I move my cursor on products, then automatically a sub menu appears in front of us having an option of add new product. I am going to click on this add new product, and here it is asking me about the product name, right? So for example, my product name is digital Bikana round neck t-shirt. Okay, so I have simply mentioned the product name. Right now it is asking me about the product description, so let me generate a good product description for my t-shirt. Right, write a good product description. I'm using ChatGPT. You can write it manually as well, or else you can also use the ChatGPT for round neck cotton t-shirt. Okay, it have written the product description, so I am just copying it. Okay, I have copied using Ctrl C, and now I will paste in the product description by pressing Ctrl plus V. Okay, the product description has been added. Right now I am not telling you about the on-page SEO factors that you need to do, right, if you just want your this product page to rank on search engine result page, right? Because SEO is somehow a different concept, right? So like I can't tell you in the same video, right? We have created dedicated videos for SEO, right? So you just need to add the internal link in this product description. You just need to add the external link. You need to add the images by renaming them, and add the alt text of those images, and maintain the keyword in the first paragraph itself, right? And keyword density should be appropriate, right? All the SEO factors should be over there, right? You need to double check the SEO factors, then only this page would rank, right? And the slug should also have the keyword in it, right? So we are not discussing SEO as of now, we are just creating the product, right? Here in this product image, we can simply upload the product image. For example, let me upload 3 to 4 images of the product, right? So I'm just taking the sample photos. So you just need to add the photos of actual product, right, from different angles, and if your product have different variation on the basis of size and color, then you need to upload them, right? So here it is asking me about the product cover image, right? So I just need to select the one photograph and click on set product image, and this would be the front image of our product, right? Whenever a user watches our this product in the shop page, then this image would be displayed to him or her, right? And here in the product gallery, you can add those images taken from different camera angles, right? Like front angle, back angle, top angle, bottom angle. You can add those images, right? So I'm just adding these 2 images, add to gallery. Okay, here in the product category, you can select the product category to whom this product belongs to. Else, if you don't know how to create product category, then I have already created dedicated video on it. You can simply visit our YouTube channel and check out the playlist. Here you can simply add the product tags like round neck t-shirt, cotton t-shirt. So I have added 3 tags, so that if any of the product having the similar tags added would automatically show on the product page in the related products list, right? So this is the main concept of adding the tags, like all the products having somehow 1 or 2 tags that are similar, then they would be displayed in the related product list, as well as these tags also rank on search engine result page, because these tags have their own URL. So we can get indirect traffic from those URLs also, as well as like our particular product would also have another URL, so that product page will also rank on search engine. So we are going to get the direct traffic from there, whereas we can get traffic from like categories and tags page, because they also rank on the search engine, right? So if anybody comes to see that particular tag URL in the search engine result page and opens it, then automatically our product which is tagged under that particular tag would be displayed in front of them, and they can simply open that particular product. Okay, so here if this particular section doesn't displays to you, then you just need to install the Yoast SEO, as this section is of Yoast SEO and we have already installed the Yoast SEO on our website, and we have also created dedicated tutorial on this, so you can check the Yoast SEO tutorial in our YouTube channel's playlist. The next section is of product data, right? Here in the product data, it is asking me about the product type, whether it is a simple product, grouped product, affiliate product, or variable product. So it's a t-shirt available in different sizes and different colors, so I'm going to select the variable product as of now. Here it is asking me about the tax status, so this particular product is taxable, so we can select taxable or none, right? And here it is asking me about the tax class, right? So we can select the tax class, from which tax class this product belongs to, right? So right now this particular product belongs to standard tax class, so standard has been selected in the tax class settings of general setting. Now moving to the inventory section from general section, here we can simply mention the SKU. If we have SKU number, then we can simply mention, else there is no need, you can simply leave it blank. Same with the GTN, UPC, EN or ISBN number. If you do have, you can simply enter that particular number, else you can skip that. So next it is asking me whether you want the WooCommerce to manage this particular product stock or not. So I just want WooCommerce to maintain the stock, so that's why I've checked this in. And here it is asking me about the quantity. For suppose we have 150 quantity of this particular product, so I have mentioned 150. It is asking me about the allow back orders, right? If the stock gets out of if stock gets sold, right, and right now the particular product is out of stock, then do you want WooCommerce to keep accepting the orders and notify the customer that a particular this product is running out of stock as of now, but whenever we will be in stock, then we will send this particular product to you, or like deliver this product to you? No, I just don't want to take back orders, right? So I have selected do not allow. Here it is asking me about the low stock threshold, right, where by when you just want to receive a notification email that this product is having low stock, right? So when the 15 quantity would be remaining, then automatically the admin would receive the email of low stock threshold, as I have mentioned 15 over there. Sold individually, you can check this in if you just want to limit the purchase to one item per order, right? Coming to the shipping section, you can simply mention the weight of this particular product, dimensions, and shipping class. You can also select, right? So this particular product belongs to light class, so I have selected the light shipping class. Now what is shipping class and how to create it, I have already mentioned in another videos that you can check on our YouTube channel in the playlist, right? Coming to the linked products, here you can simply add the upselling and cross-selling product names, right? So they would be displayed to the user whenever they make a purchase or they are about to make purchase, right? So make sure you have already created those products. If you have not, then you can simply create 5 products first, and then can update the names over here by editing each and every product again, right? Here in the attributes section, we can simply add the attributes. So it is asking me about the attribute name, so I will mention the color as name, and in the value blue space vertical line space red space vertical line space black, right? So I have differentiated all the values by vertical lines, and I have added 3 colors of this product. It is asking me whether I want this particular attribute to be visible on the product page. Yes, I want, so I have checked this in. And the next, it is asking me, do you want this attributes to be used for variations? Yeah, I do want, right? So I have checked this in. and now I'm clicking on save attributes. Again I will click on add new attribute to add the size attribute. So I have written size over here, and in the value I have written m space vertical line space l space vertical line xl space vertical line space double xl. Okay, I have added 4 sizes and clicked on save attributes, right? So both attributes have been created. First is of color and second one is of size. Now coming to the variation section, we can click on generate variations, click on OK, and it would automatically generate the variation of all the colors and all the sizes, right? So we have added 3 color attributes and like 4 sizes we have mentioned in the attributes, right? So total variants are on and around 12. Okay, so 12 variants have been generated. For each color we are having 4 variants, right? Now we will edit this variant, blue color t-shirt of M size. We can simply mention the SKU, GTI number if this particular product variant have different SKU, right? And here in the regular price we can simply enter the regular price. For example, this variant have a regular price of $1000, and right now I'm selling it on the sale price of $980, and here I can simply upload the image of this particular variant, right? So I've selected that from my media library, right? And here we can simply mention the weight, dimension and shipping class, same as parent, which we have selected above, right, while creating the product. And text class would be also the same. So we have selected it before earlier while creating the product. Now coming to the another color, right, red M, red color t-shirt M size, and we can simply upload the image. So I have selected this particular image and clicked on set variation image, and we can simply enter the regular price as $1300 and sale price is $1250, right? So in the same manner you can edit each and every product variant, right? All those product variants where you will mention the price would only be showcased in the product variation product page, right? Else for those who have not like, for example, if you have 15 product variants, right, and you have just updated the price of 2 or 3 product variants, then on the product page only those 2 or 3 product variation would be displayed. The rest would not display until you enter the price of those particular product variants. So don't worry for such cases. Now coming to the advanced section, here you can simply add a purchase note or a menu order, right, from like from what order number you just want the first order to be start with. Like if you have sold this product like 10 quantity of this product offline before, then you can just simply mention the 10 as menu order. So first order would start from 11 itself, right? You can also mention the purchase note above, right, iron below 30 degrees Celsius or whatever, right? Next is enable reviews. You can simply check this in if you want people to give reviews on this product, right? You can also mention the product short description over here. You can also add photos, right? And now I'm going to click on publish in the right side on the top. Okay, I have clicked on publish, and as you can see the product has been published, and now view product button is over there. So I'm going to click on view product, and you can see this is our product page, right? So our product is getting displayed here, the price is getting mentioned, and this is the product name, and here it is asking me about the choose an option from color, choose an option from size, right? So if I click on color, so as you can see only 2 colors are getting displayed because we have edited the price of only those 2 particular product variants, right? And if I select the blue one and select the M size, then automatically that particular product image would be displayed over here that you have uploaded in that particular product variant, right? And as you can see the price is getting displayed, right? And this is the product gallery where the product images from different camera angles are getting displayed, right? And here categories getting mentioned, tags are getting mentioned, this is the product description, and if anybody makes a review, then there is a review section separately, and you can simply check the additional information also, like product attributes would be showcased over there. And as you can see in the related products, we are getting these 4 related products because these products are having similar tags, right? Whenever they were created, the admin have also added the same tag, like 1 or 2 tags are similar in between them, right? So this is how you can create a product in WooCommerce on WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about WooCommerce, then I have mentioned the blog link in the video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to WooCommerce. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing course in detail, then I have mentioned my website link in the video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.